Alright, good morning folks, or good afternoon. Because I obviously haven't had enough, I have to go hike another glacier, and as you can see, or maybe not see, but I can see, it is snowing. Vinciguerra Glacier. They say the round trip is 8 to 11 hours. I give it no more than 5, because I have to go to the airport soon. You know me, just do it, man. No time to wait. Just under a kilometer to get up there. It is snowing, it's muddy. I took my jacket and my sweater off because it's getting cold. So why, do you ask? I'm moving, I'm jogging, I'm running, I'm sweating. And what I don't want to do is sweat very much, because as soon as I stop, that sweat coating my body, it's gonna get really cold, turn to ice. So as long as I keep moving, I'm good. I want to try to get airflow to prevent any moisture, as less moisture as possible. When I stop, I can put on my jacket. So that's enough. Stop talking. So all this water right here is glacial runoff from the melting ice. Let us go to the source. We made it. It is 2:14, left at about 12:14. So it took 2 hours to get here. The signs and the people said 4 hours minimum to get up. So it looks like I got some time to do some drone foo. Right here is the edge of the retreating glacier. Look at the size of this. I can't even touch the top. It's got to be at least 12 feet thick at right here. I wonder if I just wait here long enough, maybe I'll find a woolly mammoth face or some ancient alien frozen in time, or perhaps the next Avatar. What is wild to think about is that this ice here, that's thousands of years old. So does that mean that this is like ancient water? Maybe this is the fountain of youth. Or maybe I just ingested a new virus into me and this is the beginning of the end. Find out next on the adventures of Senor Chan.